In this section, we'll look at how to use and maintain the NY-VIP3 software, workstation, and emission testing components. Section modules include Power Up, Power Down, System Status Indicators, Software Navigation, Entering Data, System Lockouts, Sticker Printer Services, VIR Printer Maintenance, Calibration, Troubleshooting. To initially power up the NY-VIP3 Computerized Vehicle Inspection System, or CVIS, press the power switch on the power strip surge protector to the on position. Then press the Micro PC's power button to begin the start sequence. Once initial loading of the operating software is complete, use the mouse to click on the Startup button. The NY-VIP3 software will begin to initialize and communicate with the variety of components and databases used to successfully complete a vehicle inspection. The system checks for system lockouts, inspection authorizations, and software updates. The NY-VIP3 software then performs a data file refresh and updates several databases used during inspection. The software also initializes the workstation emission components. When system startup is complete, the software displays the main menu. To greatly reduce the chance of data file corruption or loss, the NY-VIP3 software has a shutdown function that should always be used for system shutdown or for overnight sleep mode. From the main menu screen, click on the Shutdown Functions bar or press number 6 on the keyboard. The screen will display shutdown function options. Click on the Shutdown Analyzer bar or press number 1 on the keyboard to entirely shut the system off. The system creates a daily report of inspection activity. Click the Print button to print the report. Otherwise, click the Close button to continue. The software displays a Shutdown Analyzer dialog box. Click the Yes button to continue system power down. To enter sleep mode, click on the Nightly Shutdown Restart bar or press number 2 on the keyboard. The system creates a daily report of inspection activity. Click the Print button to print the report. Otherwise, click the Close button to continue. The software displays a Perform a Restart dialog box. Click the Yes button to restart the system. The system restarts and reinitializes, checking for software updates and performs a data file refresh. This will hopefully eliminate any downtime during business hours. To restart the system in the morning, click on the Startup button. The software performs the application startup process. Then click on the Main Menu button to return to the main menu. System status indicators are displayed on the left-hand side of some of the menu screens in the NY-VIP3 software, such as the main menu and the vehicle inspection menu. Before proceeding with any inspections or print functions, check the status indicators on the left-hand side of the menu. The icon should be green or black, indicating no problems exist. Any red icons, such as a lockout, indicates you won't be able to successfully complete the inspection. Address the cause of red indicators before proceeding with vehicle inspection. In the upper left of the screen are icons for the VIR printer. The icons are green when the printer is online or idle. The toner bar will be green when sufficient toner is present in the toner cartridge. The icons will be yellow when the printer is busy or printing. The icons will be red if the printer is offline or has an issue such as a paper jam. When the printer icons are red, the Analyzer Status icon will be red and display the word Locked. Inspections cannot proceed until the icons are green. If you have a level 3 or 4 CVIS system and the Analyzer Status icon is red with the word Locked displayed, and the CALS DO icon is red with a number 1 displayed, the opacity meter needs to be calibrated before you can proceed with opacity testing. Opacity meter calibration is covered in the calibration section of this program. If the lockout icon is red, the system has a lockout that must be cleared to continue inspections. Lockouts are covered in greater detail in the System Lockouts section of this program. The status icons in the current sticker area of the screen and the account status icon need to be green to proceed with inspections. If any of the icons are red, you need to add additional stickers or funding. These procedures are covered in the Station Management and Administrative Functions program. The NY-VIP3 software is designed to reduce data entry and data entry errors to the greatest extent possible. The system optimizes the use of previous record lookup and barcode scanning. The software is primarily a point-and-click menu-driven interface that also makes the best use of defined pull-down selection windows and yes/no style dialog boxes. For lengthy numerical data entry input, such as mileage and sticker numbers, the software uses error trapping methods like blind entry and matching entry. For the software to proceed, the data entered must match. The software allows for 3 different methods for entering a vehicle's identification number or VIN. The preferred method is to scan the 2D barcode on the registration document or windshield registration sticker. If this method is not available, 2 other manual VIN data entry methods are provided: barcode scanning and manual keyboard entry. Barcode scanning and manual keyboard entry will require double entry of the VIN. To use the keyboard, type the 17-character VIN. You must re-enter the VIN using blind entry for verification. You will only be allowed to proceed when both VIN entries match. The Performing VID Previous Test VIN lookup screen is displayed when the NY-VIP3 software is searching the VID for previous records, verifying the VIN and other vehicle record data. If the VIN or vehicle exists in the VID database, you will see Previous Test Information Found displayed in the lower section of the Performing VID Previous Test Registration Lookup screen. If both the vehicle exists and the VIN decodes, in the Lookup Results box, both the Previous Test Data Found and the VIN Decode Performed items will be in green, and green check marks will be displayed. The VIN Decode Performed item may or may not be successful depending on the type of vehicle being inspected. The VID system does not decode motorcycle, trailer, and some heavy-duty truck VINs. If the vehicle exists in the VID database, you will see Previous Test Information Found displayed in the lower section of the Performing VID Previous Test Registration Lookup screen. In the Lookup Results box, the Previous Test Data Found item will be green, and a green check mark will be displayed. The VIN Decode Performed item will be red, and a red X will be displayed. If no previous test information found is displayed in the lower section of the Performing VID Previous Test Registration Lookup screen, the vehicle does not exist in the VID and vehicle information must be entered manually. The NY-VIP3 software displays previous vehicle data on a data entry screen. You can review and change all required data on this screen through the use of pull-down menus and minor data entry. Verify or enter the plate using the keyboard. Check to see if any additional vehicle data needs to be entered or corrected. Move to the Select Testing Parameters section of the screen. Use the pull-down menus in the text boxes to correct or select the vehicle's year, vehicle type, weight code, and whether the vehicle is registered in the downstate NYMA area. Next, Verify or select the vehicle's primary fuel type from the list. Then check the vehicle manufacturer selection. Use the manufacturer pull-down list to select a different manufacturer. And finally, verify the correct model is selected from the model pull-down list. Click the Continue button to proceed. The odometer entry screen opens. You will need to enter the odometer reading twice. Round to the nearest mile. The software will not advance if both entries do not match. For every passing inspection, a physical sticker number is assigned to the vehicle and entered into the vehicle's record. The physical number is pre-printed on the sticker stock and may have to be voided if the sticker is damaged during printing or attachment to the vehicle. During the sticker issuance process, the software anticipates the next physical sticker number to be issued. On the sticker assignment screen, enter the sticker number that printed on the sticker media into the actual, printed, sticker number box. This can be accomplished accurately by scanning the sticker number barcode in the lower left of the inspection certificate. The number entered in the actual, printed sticker number box should be the same as the number in the expected sticker number box to proceed. If the two numbers do not match, a sticker or range of stickers must be voided. The NY-VIP3 software sets a system lockout for a variety of reasons. The lockout cause must be corrected to continue inspecting vehicles. To view lockouts, from the main menu, click on the Utilities menu bar or press the number 2 key. The Utilities menu will open. Click on the View Lockouts bar or press the number 2 key. The System Lockouts screen will display. In the upper right of the screen, the system status is displayed. There are two overall lockout types: calibration and administrative. Both status boxes display the word clear when no lockouts are present. If either of the status boxes indicate locked, lockouts are present and must be cleared. A calibration lockout indicates the opacity meter needs to be calibrated. If there is an administrative lockout, look at the individual lockout status selection window for more information on the lockout. There are 14 individual lockouts. The first lockout, account balance depleted, indicates there are no funds in the drawdown account and funds need to be transferred to clear the lockout. To do this requires manager-level system access. This process is covered in the Station Management section of this program. The next two lockouts have to do with an individual inspector's license. Either the license has expired or the license is listed as suspended on the VID. For assistance, contact the Opus Help Desk at 1-866-OBD-TEST, 1-866-623-8378. To clear a no-contact lockout, successfully complete a data file refresh with the VID. To clear the OBD check lockout, successfully connect to an OBD vehicle. See the troubleshooting section of this program for additional information. To clear the opacity lockout, calibrate the opacity meter. The Out of Certificates lockout indicates there are no inspection stickers left in the CVIS. A new batch of sticker numbers need to be added. To do this requires manager-level system access. This process is covered in the Station Management section of this program. To clear any of the following lockouts, contact the Opus Help Desk at 1-866-OBD-TEST, 1-866-623-8378. Payment failure. QA state lockout. Station license expired. Station license suspended. To clear a printer malfunction lockout, troubleshoot the VIR printer. See the VIR printer maintenance section of this program for additional information. And finally, to clear a software version lockout, perform a software update. To change the sticker printer ribbon, open the printer cover by pressing the latches on both sides of the front of the cover. Press in on the locking tabs to open the print and ribbon mechanism. Insert one of the ribbon adapters into the printer ribbon transfer roll. Make sure the ribbon feeds off the top of the roll so that it will be ink side facing out. Place the thermal transfer roll between the rear ribbon holders. Insert the other ribbon adapter into the empty ribbon take-up core. Place the empty ribbon take-up core between the front ribbon holders. Make sure that both ribbon adapters are locked into the ribbon wheels on the left side of the print and ribbon mechanism. Lift up the print and ribbon mechanism. Feed the ribbon through the opening of the print and ribbon mechanism. Pull the ribbon forward over the print head and front of the mechanism. Attach the ribbon to the empty take-up core. Close the print and ribbon mechanism. Press down until both locking tabs snap into the locked position. Check to make sure the dull side of the thermal transfer roll is facing out on the transfer roll. Close the printer cover. On occasion, you may be required to change the inspection media type from internal stickers that are applied to the inside of the windshield to external stickers applied to a surface, typical of motorcycles and larger trailers, or vice versa. Open the printer cover by pressing the latches on both sides of the front of the cover. Press in on the locking tabs to open the print and ribbon mechanism. Remove the internal sticker media by sliding the stack backwards. Feed the external sticker media from the rear yellow side up. Slide the media through the guides and placing the stack inside the back of the printer. Close the print and ribbon mechanism. Press down until both locking tabs snap into the locked position. Close the printer cover. The sticker printer will automatically feed the sticker media out several stickers. Momentarily press the button on top of the printer to properly index the sticker media. Tear off and retain the voided sticker media. The sticker printer advances 4 stickers every time the sticker media or printer ribbon are changed. The stickers need to be voided, and you must retain the voided stickers for DMV verification. There is no charge for voided stickers. If you encounter a situation where the sticker does not print correctly, the damaged sticker must be cleared and the printer reset. Open the printer cover by pressing the latches on both sides of the front of the cover. Press in on the locking tabs to open the print and ribbon mechanism. Clear the damaged sticker and realign the sticker media. Close the print and ribbon mechanism. The sticker printer will automatically feed the sticker media out several stickers. Close the printer cover. The NYVIP3 software will reprint a new inspection sticker to replace the damaged sticker. When you enter the actual sticker number for the new sticker, the software will prompt to void out the range of stickers from the initial expected inspection sticker up to the new sticker number applied to the vehicle. You will have to select a void reason from the pull-down list. Remember, you must retain voided stickers for DMV verification. The VIR printer has proven reliable in garage environments and is relatively maintenance-free. Load plain white printer paper into the printer by sliding out the paper tray. The drawer holds about 250 sheets of paper. Close paper tray drawer. There is a paper level indicator on the face of the drawer that tells you how much paper is in the printer. Add paper when the level gets low. The toner cartridge level can be quickly assessed on the main screen in the printer status area. The toner bar will be green when sufficient toner is present in the toner cartridge. The toner bar also indicates a percentage reading of toner remaining. We highly recommend having a replacement cartridge available to install when print quality is no longer acceptable. To change the toner cartridge, press on the front door release on the right side of the printer. Open the front panel. Grasp the toner cartridge and pull slightly upward. The imaging drum and toner are contained in the toner cartridge and are serviced as one component. To reinstall a new toner cartridge, align the toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer and install the toner cartridge until it is firmly seated. Close the front panel. To clear paper jams, remove the paper drawer to get access to the paper feed path. Pull out any jammed sheets of paper. If the paper jam is deeper in the printer, remove the toner cartridge from the printer and remove any sheets of paper. Reinstall the toner cartridge and paper tray. The printer status will turn to green when the paper jam has been cleared and the access panel is closed. Before proceeding with a safety and diesel emissions inspection, check the status indicators on the left-hand side of the main menu. The icons should be green or black, indicating no problems exist. Any red icons, such as a lockout, indicates you won't be able to successfully complete the inspection. If the Analyzer Status icon is red with the word Locked displayed and the CALS DO icon is red with the number 1 displayed, the opacity meter needs to be calibrated before you can proceed with opacity testing. Before calibrating the opacity meter, remove the heated exhaust sample hose from the meter and lay the meter on its side. To navigate to the opacity meter calibration screen, from the main menu, click on the Utilities menu bar or press the number 2 key. Then click on the calibration bar or press the number 4 key. Next, click on the opacity meter bar or press the number 2 key. The opacity meter check screen will display. To begin calibration of the opacity meter, make sure the opacity meter is clear from obstructions. Lay the meter on its side. Click the Continue button to zero the meter. Locate the calibration glass. Carefully remove the glass from its protective sleeve and enter the reference opacity percentage into the dialog box. In this case, the reference is 63%. Click the Continue button to proceed. Insert the reference glass into the slot in the opening on the bottom of the meter furthest from the power cord and on-off switch. Click the Continue button to automatically complete calibration. Click the Continue button again. In the Status section of the screen, the Analyzer Status icon will be green with the word Ready displayed, and the CALS DO icon will be green with 0 displayed. Remove the reference glass from the bottom of the opacity meter. Place the reference glass back into its protective sleeve and carefully store the glass where it will not be damaged or scratched. You will need the glass to calibrate the opacity meter every 72 hours. Return the meter to the upright position. Reconnect the heated exhaust sample hose. If the barcode scanner fails to scan or display a red light when the trigger is pulled, a good place to begin troubleshooting is with connections. Check the USB cable connection to port 5 of the powered USB hub. Next, reseat the connection to the barcode scanner. Insert a paper clip into the small hole in the bottom of the scanner. Remove and reseat the connector. If the scanner still doesn't work, check the cable for damage. Replace cable or scanner as required. To diagnose internet connectivity problems, from the main menu, click on the Utilities menu bar or press the number 2 key. The Utilities menu will open. Click on the Communications bar or press the number 5 key. The Communications menu will open. Click on VID Communication checkbar. The VID Communication check screen will display. Click the Test button to initiate the communication test. If the test fails, perform the troubleshooting steps listed on the screen. When you have identified and corrected the problem, the VID communication test will be successful. If you are having OBD communications issues, begin to isolate the root cause by starting with cable connections. Check the USB cable connection to port 7 of the powered USB hub. Check all connections to the IM-Clean module and the vehicle. If you are using the IM-Clean module with a wireless connection, verify that the module is Bluetooth connected to the CVIS. To check Bluetooth pairing, navigate to the Communications menu and select Set up OBD Wireless tool. Click on the Pair Bluetooth OBD Device button. If no OBD device can be paired with, check the range and power level of the OBD module. Click on the Pair Bluetooth OBD Device button again to try reconnecting. When the system successfully pairs with the IM-Clean module, the entire system will restart back to the startup screen.